turmeric tea with lemon and honey. This stuff is perfect. I'm not going to tell you about the medicinal or medical advantages that you have by taking this tea. You can research that. However, I'm going to show you how to make it. So go nowhere. Let's create. It's actually pretty good. So let's do the turmeric tea. Pot is hot already, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some honey. Hot pot. Going to mix it up a little bit. Now we're going to add some water. And I want the water to start boiling a little bit. And as the water starts getting ready to boil, I'm going to add some of the powdered turmeric. And I made this powder myself. And these have a lot of medicinal attributes. You know, your digestive system, your metabolism. See how beautiful it's looking? And let me switch the camera. So you mix it up a little bit. See how pretty? What I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon. And I want it to boil a little bit, just for a little bit. You don't want to cook this for a long time. It's not preparing tea, you know? And let me put some of this there, some slices. Because I want the lemon, the turmeric, and the actual honey to mix together. Also going to add a handful of black peppercorn. Not a lot, just a little bit. Mix it up and cook it for about 3 minutes. When it starts boiling too much, just lower the heat and turn it off. See how pretty it's looking? So I'm going to strain it a little bit. I didn't make a lot, I just make enough for a cup. But I wanted to show you how it looks like when you strain it. And the reason I'm straining it is to make sure a lot of this stuff doesn't transfer. But you can always add a couple ice cubes too, to create that contrast. Here you have it.